Ever thought, man, I wish there was a business Pokedex out there? Yeah, me neither, but apparently someone did, and they went and built it. This is Sintra AI, a tool that promises to unite 12 types of AI employees, over 10 in-app integrations, and 90 plus AI tools under a single subscription. Gotta catch them all in this Sintra AI review. So let's get going. First, we need to know why anyone would compare this tool to a Pokedex. Well, because Sintra has already collected 12 AI assistants for you. Sintra AI isn't your average generative AI tool like ChatGPT. It's more like an AI employee, or rather an entire department of employees, ranging from SEO specialists to copywriters. But more on this later. Sintra AI gives you a full suite of AI helpers designed to grow your business or support your personal projects. And unlike typical prompt-based tools, these AI employees are built to be proactive. They take initiative, connect with your other apps, and follow workflows. But before we go any further on our Sintra AI review, a little background. While this all sounds futuristic, like other consumer-oriented AI, including Google's Gemini or good old ChatGPT, Sintra AI is also based on a large language model. That said, Sintra AI is innovative. It comes with extra functionality, creatively disguised as a pack of employees to make its tech seem more accessible and easier to understand. Here's an example of how Sintra AI works, comparing it to ChatGPT. Imagine you're launching a new product. ChatGPT can help you write a social media post or marketing email. That is, if you provide a well-thought-out prompt and feed it with relevant, high-quality content. Sintra AI, on the other hand, has digital AI employees that can write the content, schedule the post across platforms, send targeted emails, and track performance, all automatically. They're trained to understand and adapt to your business's unique needs. The conclusion is clear. ChatGPT helps you brainstorm and create, while Sintra AI can help you create, implement, and execute. If this sounds awesome, imagine using it. To get Sintra AI with the best Cybernews discount, scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description. Your future productive self will thank you later. With that overview of Sintra AI behind us, let's go deeper into which of Sintra's 12 AI employees that I consider to be the most interesting. Since there are 12 of them, I won't go into detail on every single one, but I will spotlight 2 of them. One of my favorites was Soshi, a social media manager who can automate many social media tasks, including post scheduling, answering comments, image generation, and even creating content calendars. What I noticed was that Sintra AI integrates with a limited list of social media apps. So if you're interested in AI automation, particularly with Sintra's AI Soshi, you'll probably notice that some important integrations are missing. For example, there are integrations for Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn, but there isn't one for X. That said, Sintra is looking to expand the list. Even so, if you're interested in social media automation, Soshi still offers a plethora of integrations. Okay, it wasn't Soshi who stole the show from me, it was Pen, which was conveniently named after the tool it uses the best, a pen. Ba-dum-ts. This AI copywriter is trained on copy from thousands of high-converting advertisements. From writing newsletters and ad scripts to landing page pieces, Pen can do it all. So if you're tired of writing newsletters yourself, Pen is a great AI email assistant for you. Pen can also speak more than 100 languages. Truth be told, English bore the best results for me, but hey, maybe you'll have better luck than I did using Spanish. In any case, if Pen were a Pokemon, it'd definitely be a legendary one. If you'd like to give Pen a shot, just click the link in the description for easy access, and get the best deal out there while you're at it. Now, of course, there are 10 other AI assistants left. There's Cassie, a customer support specialist, to ensure that each and every client leaves satisfied. Buddy, a business developer to help you prop up your business. Dexter, a data analyst to help you make more educated decisions. And Gigi, a personal coach to help you improve. Overall, Sintra AI offers a ton of functionality while staying accessible. So that's the AI agents explained, but there's another important thing to note as well. Each of the 12 Sintra AI employees has an additional toolkit you can utilize to your heart's content. You can think of these like power-ups. This includes functionality like an image generator and upscaler, competitive analyzer, email calendar generator, etc. There are a ton of them, nearly 100 actually. The ones I enjoyed testing the most were the business idea generator, target audience analyzer, and image generator. But you can see more of them on screen right now. You can even organize a birthday with Sintra AI. In short, it's worth exploring these tools as they can make your work significantly easier and enhance your existing workflows, or help create new ones. On in this Sintra AI bot review, let's discuss the Brain AI. Yes, this is the actual name of the feature. Essentially, it's a central point of storage for all of your info, which Sintra AI uses to learn about your business needs. And it adapts and expands its knowledge through your daily interactions on the Sintra AI platform. During my testing, I could insert web pages, files, and text, and get personalized assistance. The best thing for me is that the AI helpers are also proactive and take the lead by asking questions to increase their knowledge. And conveniently, the Brain AI can be partitioned for different brands. So if you're running multiple platforms or brands simultaneously, it won't mix up all the info in its AI brain and spit out gibberish. Of course, there's also the pressing issue of how to use Sintra AI. Now, I would need a separate video to explain all the intricacies, but here's a very broad overview. First, you don't need any coding or prompt engineering knowledge to use Sintra AI. Just start chatting and that's it. Secondly, you'll need to choose a plan to start using it. There are two options. You can go with only one assistant or the whole department of 12. Now, I chose the latter only because I was testing out the Sintra AI platform to make this review. I can totally see someone just going for an individual AI agent like Penn. On the other hand, the functionality of all 12 Sintra AI bots definitely won't disappoint you if you actually have a use case for all of them. So if you're someone who needs extra hands, go for it. You won't regret it. And speaking of regrets, I didn't experience any buyer's remorse. Although, know that Sintra AI can get pretty pricey. The reality is that AI is just expensive to run, so steep prices are inevitable for almost every AI tool. So it's not like Sintra AI is the outlier here. Once you've chosen the right plan, you'll need to fill out some basic information about your business and your needs. Next, you'll need to connect all the accounts you'll be using. This was quick and painless for me, so you shouldn't have any issues here either. After that, you'll be met with the next page, which is the home for your new AI assistants. And the UI is intuitive, so you won't have any trouble navigating it. So, what are my thoughts at the end of this Sintra AI review? The platform is well thought out, easy to use, and addresses key pain points of your daily driving with an AI tool. Sintra AI can help you scale and create value for your business by automating workflows, creating great marketing pieces, and much more. I can easily recommend giving Sintra AI a shot. The link is in the description for easy access. Thanks for watching, and see ya.